Hola, hola! Welcome to the third part of this Argentinian Spanish course for beginners. I am Gaia, an Argentinian Spanish teacher with over 8 years of experience and a degree in linguistics. And I'm here to help you take the next step in your learning journey. This course is for students who already know the basics and want to start speaking with more detail and confidence. It is divided into 5 sections, and in each one you will find video lessons, downloadable PDFs, and quizzes to test what you just learned. By the end of the course, you'll be able to talk about daily routines and activities, habits, and future plans. Talk about your home and everyday objects, narrate past events, describe people, situations, and your own life before and now, share recent experiences and important events in history, use everyday expressions more fluently, and more. In this course, I use clear explanations with real examples from Argentinian Spanish and lots of extra materials so you can practice beyond the videos. Everything is designed to be clear, practical, and fun, with a special focus on real-life communication. If you're ready to expand your Spanish and start using it in real conversations, join the course today. Nos vemos adentro.